Have you ever felt that spine-chilling fear creeping up your spine, like a ghostly whisper in the dark, when you think about starting your own business? It's that nagging feeling that makes you hesitate, second-guess your every move, and wonder if you're just chasing shadows. Today we're going to confront that fear head-on, especially since Halloween is just around the corner. Let's turn those haunted thoughts into a powerful potion for success. First off, let's acknowledge that fear is a natural part of any entrepreneurial journey. Just like the eerie tales we tell around a campfire, fear can be captivating, but it can also paralyze us. You might be thinking, what if I fail? What if no one likes my brand? What if I end up with nothing but pumpkin guts and a pile of regrets? Trust me, you're not alone in feeling this way. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of uncertainty, and it's time to shed some light on those dark corners. One of the best ways to conquer fear is to reframe it. Instead of seeing fear as a monster lurking in the shadows, think of it as a guide. Fear can tell you what's important to you. It's a signal that you're stepping outside your comfort zone, which is where the magic happens. Embrace that feeling. Let it fuel your passion. Ask yourself, what's the best thing that can happen if I do this? And then, visualize the best-case scenario. Picture your brand thriving, your ideas coming to life, and your passion resonating with others. That vision can be your guiding light, illuminating the path ahead. Now let's talk about preparation. Just like a witch brewing a potion, you need the right ingredients to create something magical. Start by doing your research. Understand your market, know your audience, and identify your competition. This might feel daunting, but think of it like gathering supplies for a Halloween party. You wouldn't throw a party without knowing what decorations you need, right? The more prepared you are, the less scary it becomes. Knowledge is power, and it can transform your fear into confidence. Next, let's dive into the importance of community. Surround yourself with fellow entrepreneurs who understand the thrill and the chills of starting a business. Join online forums, attend networking events, or even host a Halloween-themed brainstorming session. Sharing your fears with others can be incredibly liberating. You'll realize that everyone has their own skeletons in the closet, and together you can face them. Plus, who doesn't love a little Halloween camaraderie? It's like having a trusty sidekick to tackle those ghoulish doubts. Another effective way to conquer fear is to start small. Think of it like carving a pumpkin. You don't just take a knife and hack away at it. You start with a plan. Maybe even sketch out your design first. Take baby steps toward launching your brand. Set small, achievable goals that will lead you to your larger vision. Maybe it's creating a logo, setting up a social media account, or even just brainstorming product ideas. Each small victory will build your confidence and help you realize that you're capable of more than you think. And let's not forget about the power of storytelling. Every great Halloween tale has a protagonist who overcomes obstacles. What's your story? What inspired you to start this business? Sharing your journey, your fears, your triumphs, your lessons learned can create a powerful connection with your audience. People are drawn to authenticity. They want to know the person behind the brand. So don't shy away from vulnerability. Wear it like a costume that showcases your true self. Lastly, remember to celebrate your progress. Just like we celebrate Halloween with candy and costumes, take time to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. Each step you take is a reason to celebrate. Treat yourself to a spooky movie night or indulge in your favorite Halloween treat. Recognizing your hard work will keep the motivation alive and help you stay focused on your goals. So, as we approach Halloween, let's transform that fear into fuel. Embrace the thrill of the unknown. Gather your tools. Connect with your community. Take small steps. Share your story. And celebrate every victory. Your business brand is waiting to be born. And it's time to let your creativity shine brighter than any jack-o'-lantern. Remember, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself, and maybe a few ghosts too. Now go out there and make your mark, because the world is ready for your unique brand, and it's time to let your entrepreneurial spirit soar.